Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video you will learn what are dashboards for, how to create and edit a dashboard and also adding a widget to your dashboard. So dashboard provides an overview of your business displaying key information as soon as you log in. So the first widget we have here is opportunity status. It shows the current status of leads in your pipeline. And next is opportunity value. It displays the total value of all your leads. And then we have conversion rate. It indicates the percentage of won leads divided by total leads. If you click this button here, you can see currently the opportunities are calculated based on status change. You can change it to created on. And then we have funnel. It offers a visual representation of where your opportunities are in the pipeline. You can change the pipeline with this drop down here, and similarly the next widget we have is of stage distribution. It presents a cycle graph showing the distribution of opportunities across different stages. Up next is tasks. It shows the list of assigned tasks for individual users or all users within your account. These filters are really helpful in finding the tasks that you are looking for. With this drop down, you can select pending or completed tasks. From here, you can change the order between descending or ascending with respect to due date or the date added. And with this drop down, you can select the user to whom the tasks are assigned to. And then next we have manual actions. Simply put, it gives an overview of any manual actions taken. You can go to manual actions with this button here. This drop down you can select the workflow from which the manual action is, and with this drop down you can select the user to whom the manual action is assigned to. Up next is lead source report. It provides insights into the sources of your leads and their respective values. And if you have your Google account integrated with your CRM, you can view your Google Analytics report and Google Business Profile through here. Now let's move on to editing a dashboard. But before that, let me tell you about this calendar. This calendar allows you to choose a time span for which you want to see the information on your dashboard. Click this pencil icon over here to edit a dashboard. You can see the editor mode is now enabled. You can change the name for your dashboard through here. You can drag and drop these widgets to change their locations, and with this three dots icon you can delete a widget. And if you want to add a widget to your dashboard, click this add widget button. You can see there are many widgets available under various groups such as contacts, appointments, opportunities, calls, and general widgets. You can search for a specific widget using this search bar. Choose the widget you want to add, change the title if required, and then click on save. And as you can see, the widget appeared here. You can resize or reposition this widget by drag and drop. Once you are done with the changes, just click on save changes button and it's done. Let me tell you about another feature in widgets, which is objects. With objects, you can embed external widgets, Google Sheets, or even YouTube videos. Enter the title of your widget. Select the type for the widget. It could be URL or iframe. If it is something like a YouTube video, select URL or select a iframe if it is an embed code. And in the advanced setting, you can Check this box to hide the title. Can add another dashboard through here. Click on this plus button. Enter the name for your new dashboard. Let's say dashboard 2. Specify who can access this dashboard and then click on confirm. And yep, your new dashboard is now created. And now you can add widgets like I told you earlier, and create your new dashboard. And once you are done adding widgets, click on the Save Changes button to save your progress. Now let's head back to our previous dashboard through here. And with this three dots icon, you can clone this dashboard, or you can also duplicate this dashboard to another sub account. And yep, I guess that pretty much covers everything about dashboard. And that's it for this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you so much for your time.